What you guys, got another video here for you. This Windows 11 feature is eating up your system RAM and slowing down your PC. It's called the delivery optimization, and it's a feature that's built into Windows that is on by default. The delivery options in Windows 11 is a peer-to-peer content delivery system that helps your PC download Windows updates, Microsoft Store apps, upgrades faster, and all that sort of stuff, according to Microsoft. But the problem is it uses up a lot of system memory. There's been some tests done by NIFNAF that says it took up to 20 gigabytes of his memory, slowing down his computer considerably. You can see right here, delivery options can't be used to download or send personal content to Microsoft. It's just used for updates. And you can see right here, you've got this feature that you can turn off. There's no need to leave it on. And I'll show you how to do that in this video, multiple ways for Windows 10 and Windows 11, because it does affect Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. You need to go into the Windows Update section right here. Once you're inside here, you want to go to Advanced Options. Click on Advanced Options and then look for Delivery Optimization. Why they're calling this optimization, I don't know, because it hinders your PC. Allow downloads from other devices. If you turn this on, your device may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to devices on the local network or on the internet. So you can see devices on the local network, devices on the internet, and my local network. And you can see why this is going to basically use up a lot of your system resources. So if you don't want to do that, then I'd advise you to just turn this off right here. Now, Microsoft being Microsoft could literally enable this feature again in a Windows update. So I would advise you to turn this off in group policy and also in the registry editor if you're not on Windows 11 Pro or Windows 10 Pro editions. So if we look at Windows 10 here, which is what I'm on here on my system, in Windows Updates, Delivery Optimization, you'll see that it says some of these settings are hidden and managed by your organization. That's because I have it turned off. And you'll be able to see right here that it's grayed out. It's off and it's grayed out, and it won't be able to be forced back on by Microsoft updates. It just will not go back on. Now, NIFNAF has made a post here on Reddit, and you'll see delivery optimization memory use. And there was quite a lot of memory use for that particular device being used throughout the day. So open up the group policy editor here and go into computer configuration and administrative templates, and then Windows components. Inside here, you'll be seeing the delivery optimization. What you're looking for is the download mode right here. Double click on this and it will open up a little box here. And from here, you can enable this feature. There's a full list of what these actually do. So you can read the information right there and choose which one suits you. So the 0 equals HTTP only, and this disables peer-to-peer. You've got 1 equals select LAN local network only, and you've got 2 equals select LAN and internet. And the last one is 99 equals disable delivery optimization. So choose which one suits your needs right here, and then apply an OK and reboot your PC, and that should be set, and it will be set by you, and it will not be able to be turned on again by Windows updates when it happens. This will stay as it is. Now, if you don't have a Windows 10 Pro edition or above operating system, or Windows 11 Pro or above edition for Windows 11 computer, then I'll show you how you can do this in the registry editor, which will basically allow you to turn it off in the registry exactly the same way as what you're doing it in the group policy, because it's changing the policies for this computer, and it will put a registry key in the policies folder in the registry. Now, of course, it's always best to make a restore point of your system, and also remember, do your own research, because you are making changes to the computer's registry. So it's always advisable to back up your data and also make restore points before you start tampering with your computer settings. I take no responsibility for any damages or loss of data if you choose to follow this video. Anyway, what we're going to do here is got the registry editor open, and we're going to go to computer, H key local machine, software, and inside here we're going to come down to where it says policies, and we need to go into the policies directory, then Microsoft, and then look for Windows here. So click on the Windows directory right here, open this up, and you will see delivery optimization. On the right hand side you will see a key inside there if you've enabled this feature in group policy, and this is it right here, do download mode, and that's the name of the actual key, and you'll see it's set to 0, and that means it's turned off. So you can copy this if you want to, or you can use group policy if you have a Pro Edition system. But if you don't and you have a home PC or home edition Windows, then you'll need to right click on a blank space, create a new DWORD 32-bit value key, name it what you see on the screen there, double click on it and set that to 0, and you should be good to go, and that should be disabled permanently on your computer. Now the important thing to remember is if you don't turn this off, it's going to be working in the background, and you could be playing games on your computer and doing other things on your computer and wondering why your computer is slowing up and you're suddenly getting high memory usage. And this can also impact FPS, and it can also impact latency and things like that on your computer when you're playing games on your PC. Now, other people have done some research on this as well and said that it's impacting their system quite heavily, especially on Windows 11, not so much on Windows 10 systems. So maybe Windows 11 is acting differently to Windows 10 when it comes to this do service type of thing running in the background, doing whatever it's doing, connecting to Microsoft servers, downloading updates, and also Microsoft Store apps and things like that in the background. And this will obviously take up a lot of system resources. Now, of course, there is also a possibility this could be some form of memory leak or bad code that Microsoft have in Windows 11, which obviously is impacting systems and using up a lot of system memory. Personally, I think you should be disabling this feature anyway, but that's just my opinion. Anyway, but that said, I think that's going to be about it. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to my YouTube members. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.